What's going on, y'all? This is Rashad from RashadBeats.com, and today we are doing another BeatNerd101 tutorial. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a symphony melody using the violin instrument. So today we're going to focus on using the violin, and we're going to focus on creating a body of melodies which in harmony, which will become a symphony. So what I'm going to use is I'm going to use Expand. I always use Expand for my tutorials because it's such a really good go-to plugin. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my strings, and I'm going to select solo violin, and let's make sure we can play something. Hold on, gotta rescan my MIDI. Alright, there we go. So let's see what tempo we working with. I might just stick with 140, but let me play it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to find melodies just like how we do it usually. I'm going to break it down melody by melody and chord by chord, and we're just going to run with it. So let's see what we can do first. So I'm going to start with this chord first, which is C, D sharp, G, A sharp, B, F. So let's break it down and use that first. One more time. Next, as you can see, I kind of alternated it. I didn't put F right there. I didn't do the whole chord. I stretched it out. I did like C, D sharp, G, A sharp, D, and then F. You know what I mean? So yeah, but let's continue. Find the next one. So next we have F, G sharp, C, D sharp, G. D sharp, G. Alright, so we got that for the first body of melody. And what we're gonna do now is, once we got this nice and clean, oops, don't need that, we are going to add another melody, and we're just gonna duplicate what we have and throw that in another free mixer track. And let me see, make sure I just save this as, always save your work too, ladies and gentlemen, because you do not want to lose your work. It is always a painful process when that happens. So let's go save this real quick. Save that. And let's play what we have so far. So we have one. Now let's see what else we can add to that. Oh, excuse me, the mic, tap the mic. All right, anyway, let's see what we can add to that. So as you can see, I only use like D, G, and then after the third, I did D, G, A sharp. Then I broke it back down to G sharp, which is, I broke it down to the second, which is G sharp, C, D sharp, G. Oh, yep, one more time. G sharp, C, D sharp, G. So I broke it down with that. So we got a decent symphony going on. Now we need to mess with some lower notes to keep adding on to the body of the symphony. Let's play around with it, see what we can do. As you can see, these are simple little notes just to add on to the body, and usually when I use lower notes I try to turn them up, because when you're doing symphonies you want the melodies to all be harmonic and you want every single melody to have its own space, so each melody is doing its own thing. We only have 3, so let's try to do one more and see what else we can add. The main thing with symphonies, you want to fill them up as much as possible, but try not to do too much. You just want the symphony, you just want the symphony to really make sense, and you want the symphony to be full. Now for this, now that we have 3 melodies, for this type of next string, I'm just going to change it to pizzicatos. And the pizzicato string is more so like a shortened string, and it has like that very simple, less sustained sound. So very plucky, very plucky. So let's see how that does. Freestyle that, I can't even lie, but I'm gonna put that together by actually quantizing them, because I don't really need them to be offset. So by doing that, we'll see. Or actually, we'll just move it over a little bit. See where I'm going with it. basically it for, you know, a quick little symphony. I'm gonna split this pattern up and we'll see how it sounds with each sound split up. And so far it's only 4 melodies, but let's see how it sounds. So let's play it. I'm just gonna stop it right there. So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, that's how you make a quick symphony in FL Studio. If you guys found this video helpful in any way, shape, or form, please like, comment, and subscribe. If there's anything that you wanted me to improve on, please also let me know. If there's any other videos that you want me to do as far as making beats and learning how to continue to keep navigating the FL Studio, please also let me know as well. And don't forget, we also have BeatNerd101, the full product, the full video course, in the link in the description as well. You can purchase the video course and you will get personal videos just like this. We have over 150 minutes of videos that train you just like how I do these videos on YouTube. You can get the full process and the full experience of learning how to make beats from start to finish by buying the BeatNerd101 course. You can purchase the course in the description below. We have it going on sale right now for $50. So if you want to get your hands on it, you can definitely get your hands on it right now. And I just want to say thank you guys for tuning in to another BeatNerd101 tutorial. Rashad Beats out, BeatNerd101 out. Stay tuned for more. Peace.